Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and today I did this video on this, and I stated in the video that I lost some of the distressing of the item, and somebody asked me, how would you add more? So this is pretty easy. There are several ways to do it. One, you'd want to select the whole thing and go up to a range and look at it and see if it's grouped or ungrouped. But we're going to take the black and move it over. Now we're going to left click. I'm going to use red hairlines. So now we've got the entire item, and we don't need these. We do need these later, so I'm going to nudge them over. These inner side black, we don't really have to have them. We could put them back. Now what I'm going to do is break the curve apart, and I'm going to grab the crab, and I'm going to grab the letters, and I guess I didn't really have to move those things out of the way, because we can move them right back. And we're leaving the distresses, but I've already done this, and it's a little bit tricky. That's why I decided to make the video. So we're going to control, let's zoom in here a little bit. We're going to see the sides, holes, and everything. We're going to control D and make a duplicate of that. And then we're going to rotate it 90 degrees. We've added a lot more facets, but the problem is right here, if you smart fill it, it leaks. No, it didn't this time. So now we can move our smart fill out of the way, left click, right click, so it did not do as it did before. Now we've got all this new distressing. We can move it back and move our color insets back in. And now we can use the Smart Fill tool. And now we've added a lot more distress. Now there's a few problems with the rotation that we got a circle there that is going to cause a problem. So we're going to go break curve apart again, and we're going to get rid of that circle. Now we've missed a little black spot right there. Doesn't really matter because it's distressed, but we'll fill that in. And then I think there was another circle, and that doesn't really matter because we're going to take it. Let's zoom in here. We're going to take it and left click, no outline. So now all those red circles went away. So now you've added a lot more distress. It looks, to me, it looks a little better. And that's how you would do that. And you could have done it manually. You could have moved some of these circles around. But, a lot of times, if you don't have any artistic ability, the random pattern is going to be better than the other. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.